So hey guys, in this video I will tell you how you can make a new friend on Snapchat. So for this, first of all you have to open your Snapchat application friends, and as you open you have to tap on the chat section. So guys, here generally there are two methods to add a new friend on Snapchat. The first method is you have to tap on the search icon which is available in the top right side here. So friends, here if you want to add a particular friend, a known friend, so for this you can search their profile. So guys, as you search their profile you will get to see a lot of a friend on that particular, like a friend or a person Snapchat user on that particular name. So guys, if you want to add them, simply you have to tap on the add. So as you tap on the add, that person will receive a friend request from your side, and as they accept your friend request, then you both will friend on Snapchat. And the second method is you have to tap on the this icon, this person icon, like which is available in the top right side. So as you tap on this icon you will get to see a lot of like find friends option. So guys, here you can send friend request to all that person which is available here, but make sure don't spam, and try to send friend request like in a day 5 to 6, not more than, because this will a type of spam. So make sure to follow all the Snapchat guidelines. And guys, if anyone send you a friend request, then you will see this kind of added me in the section, in which if you tap on the accept option, then you both will friend on Snapchat. So for example, I will add a person like simply I will tap on the accept option. So as I tap on the accept option friends, you can see a new Snapchat friend has seen in my chat section. So guys, if you have any question or doubt, please comment on this video. Must like and subscribe to channel to get more interesting and informative videos like this.